I am an eagle. Let me spread my wings across this wondrous land and stand for all good things, for strength and hope, integrity. Oh, let our hearts be proud and free. Take my hand and come with me where eagles fly for liberty, to truth and justice, equality, for God and home we live or die. I'll see you up where eagles fly. I am an eagle, soaring brave and bold. Commitment to the things we do with heart and soul, to make this world a better place to be. And when the storms of life are raging, let me help mankind to see I am an eagle, doing all I can to ease the pain, to lessen ills, to lend a hand. Lord, let me live my life to give. Let me show the world I care. Oh, my friends, I'll see you there where eagles fly for liberty, truth and justice, equality, for God and home we live or die. I'll see you up where eagles fly. People helping people, this is who we are. People helping people, reaching for the stars where eagles fly for liberty, truth and justice, equality, for God and home we live or die. I'll see you up where eagles fly. I'll see you up where eagles fly.
Night Eagles Club po. So, isa po akong bunso and itong song na po na ito ay handog ko po para sa ating mga warriors. And I know po na hindi naman po ako ganun kagaling kumanta, but sana po magustuhan niyo. warriors, I will always pray for you po and keep fighting. Thank you.
Also, any thoughts from
Version of the Calabarzon, Cavite, Region 1 of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated. Ako po si Kuya Deo and these are my fellow club members from the LNC Nice Eagles Club. And kami po ay nagpapasalamat at dahil kami po ay nabigyan ng pagkakataong makapag-share po sa inyo, sa ating pong mga kapatid na nandito po ngayon. And hopefully, yung aming pong munting na kayanan magustuhan po ninyo at inyo pong magamit sa mga darating po mga araw. Ito po, kasama po namin yung aming mga anak, asawa, kaibigan ng club po namin. And we hope that our presence can inspire everyone na with competitivism, with care in this world. Po kaya natin gawin. Basta po tayo nag-iisip para sa ating kapwa, nagmamahalan, at nagbibigay ng kusa na walang halong paghintay ng kapalit. So maraming salamat, palakpakan po natin ang lahat. Mabuhay po kanila!
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.